You tell him I don't care. $1 billion is chump change. What does $1 billion buy anyway today? Doesn't even buy $1 million. No, you tell him that. You tell him Yusuf Amir is speaking. That name does mean something in this town. Hello, 1 second. Hello? Excuse me. Hello? Hello, who is this? Papa! Papa, how are you? Yes, Papa, yeah, it's a present. It's a gift. Oh, no, you didn't pay for it. I did. Well, I didn't pay for it, so you didn't. But Papa, it's complicated. I miss you, Papa. I do. Yes, I'm close to closing the deal. The biggest tower. You're going to be so proud of me. Well, $10 million is maybe a little bit too much to spend in a month, but no, it was necessary. No, Papa, no, that's not fair. No, that... Papa, they're not prostitutes. They're loose women. Papa, hello, Papa. Hey, it's you, my friend. How you doing? How you doing?
What's up, Papa? Trouble with your old man?
No, it's my father.
Okay. Yeah, family can be tough, man.
He's a very conservative man. He doesn't understand what I'm doing here. He thinks my life is one long party. A reckless orgy of sex, drugs, and spending.
Really?
He's deluded. I tell you, I work my fingers to the bone. To the bone! You know, last week, I got exhausted test driving sexy cars. I had to fly to Vice City and bang bitches for 2 weeks just to recover. I'm a workaholic, man. A workaholic, homie.
Yeah, evidently.
And now I have to meet Ahmed and his brother to take a business meeting. And I love those guys. They're like family, but oh, God, it's going to exhaust me.
How's that?
These guys, they're always going on about how rich they are. There's money here, there's money there. You know what they are, Luis? I'll level with you. They're very, what's the word? Tacky. No taste. I love those guys, but seriously, come on.
Okay, well, I guess I'll see you later then.
No. Hey, you're coming with me, baby. You need to hang around. You gotta act like we're friends. Shit, we are friends, baby. Make out that we got shit going down. Going down, my niggas. Anyway, let's go. Let's bounce, baby. When I say bounce, I don't mean bouncing literally. I just mean...
I know what it means, Yusuf.
It's a term from the street, meaning you have to walk. But if you don't get that, it's a bit like roll with me. You have to roll with me. You're not like a fat man rolling. It means actually
can
just
we
walk.
just go?
Why don't you just walk?
Cruise on up to Rotterdam Tower. We got some meat, man.
In 800 yards.
I have a special gift, Luis. An auto shotgun with explosive shells.
If this don't come in handy now, it might later. Thanks, bro.
I'll just hit Ahmed up on my burner, man. Make sure shit is going down. Yo, Ada, what's up? Tell those bitches at Rotterdam, theirs ain't gonna be the tallest tower for long. Yusuf's in town, baby, and your shit bound to be inadequate. Yeah, shit, I'm coming, man. Chill the F out. What are you so head up about? Papa ain't in town, is he? Oh, thank goodness. If it's not Papa, I can't think why you are so agitated. Calm down, will you? Look, I'll see you in a moment. I know that man too well. Something is afoot. He's acting like a bitch and I can't figure out why. It may be nothing, but I've got a sixth sense for this shit. I appreciate this, Luis. Hit me up when you're sure shit with them boys is cool. So long.
Okay, bro. I'll head on up there for you.
لازم تهدي اعصابك يا زلمه، قلت لك بدك تهدي اعصابك.
طيب.
لازم تهدي اعصابك.
Ahmed,
Lewis, my man. Where's Yusuf?
what's going on, bro?
What do you mean, what's going on? Chill, homeboy. Look at the real estate.
The
Enjoy.
fuck is Yusuf? You said he'd be here.
Yo, what's wrong with you, man? Yo, what's going on?
He fucking knows we're in the shit.
What do I know?
I told you to chill, man. Shit.
Tell me what I just walked into.
Shit!
Tell me.
Please, what have you done? I'm sorry! Don't... Shit!
Fuck you!
Man, this town is full of degenerates.
I ain't done a thing, bro.
You're mine!
Get down! Get out of here and move! Hit the ground! Please evacuate the area, people. Quick! Everybody get down and stay calm! I got you dead in my sight!
Yo, it's a long, long way down. Yo, what the fuck is going on, man?
Fuck off, man!
Tell me what the fuck is going on.
You killed Tahir, you animal!
Yo, Ahmed, come on now.
This was meant to be a simple setup! Look! Here! I have a parachute! Take it! We were hoping to get Yusuf and Huerta! They don't know shit about you, believe me!
Snitching motherfucker. I didn't do nothing to you.
You're dead, motherfucker!
I ain't never seen a pet that could talk before.